What's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a how-to on how I do my hair. So this is probably my most requested video, and I have attempted to film this a couple times for you guys, but this video is strictly how I blow out my hair using the Revlon one-step airbrush. I was able to do my hair in under 8 minutes. So if you are interested in an easy at-home blowout, just keep watching. So as you can see, I separated my hair in a decent chunk. My hair is pretty dry. I do leave it wrapped in like a hair wrap for about an hour. I want as much water absorbed as humanly possible, so I don't have to keep heat on my hair for that long. This should only take 10 to 15 minutes to do a full blowout. I will leave all the hair products that I use linked in the description box, but we are just going to get right into it. It's super simple, easy to use. It has 3 settings, cool, low, and high. I do keep mine on low the entire time because I want to protect my hair. So I'm just gonna turn some music on and do my hair with you guys.
Your reflection in my wine glass. That's when I look away. Can't stand and think about losing your fine ass. How the fuck I let you slip away? Life for the party, but I'm dead inside. Kill my vibes, it was genocide. Hard to act like I've been alive. I'm trying to find where I identify. 1 time for the girl that got away. 2 times for the bub I'm about to spray. 3 times for the power that I pray to. Are you up there? Can you hear me? I know I fucked up. It's clear, see, I'm 22, but I don't act like it clearly. And all this shit is a mirage. I'm just rapping for a cause. The life, the fame, the life's the game. We break the laws, don't like to change. Wanna win you back, but I hate to lose. I know that you're the one, but it's hard to choose. Too much whiskey in my red cup. Remember first day you wouldn't give it up. We had only scratched the surface, but I knew that you were worth it. Yeah, so I was patient. I bragged to my niggas, Joe name it. I'm still with the niggas that